What's up, guys? This is Zach from Wire Customs. This is going to be my first episode of me taking my bone stock Model A and turning it into a vintage drag racer. I got flathead V8 out of a 39 Ford I'm going to be restoring and putting in my Model A. The whole drivetrain, axles, transmission, it's going to get hopped up, suited up, and put in my stock 1930 Model A tutor. So we're going to do a quick walk around so we can see what we're working with. So here it is. It's been restored once. It's in high build primer. All original engine. Runs and drives. Okay, it's a good starter. No rust. High build primer. Original seats with new covers. All original wood. Okay. Pretty cool. It's missing one or two pieces I'm working on right now in the back. I wouldn't say that's original cluster, but it's the original style cluster. Looks pretty cool. Still has the wood floorboards in it. I'm gonna get rid of the wood floorboards and put in some nice steel ones, bead roll them, English wheel, make them look really good. I'm gonna paint the dash, just probably something simple in black. I'm going to paint the outside of the Model A lacquer blue, old school vintage drag style lacquer blue. So right now it has the V8 rims on it. I got rims for a 39 that's gonna go on it. Just needs a little paint, a little cleaning up. It's gonna look really cool with the wide 5 lug pattern. It has the original license plate, I'm told. Pretty cool, all original. Little spray paint on the back. This car's in pretty good shape. I've already started to take the V8 apart, so let's take a look at that. Here it is, my flathead V8. I'm gonna be posting a video series of me taking it apart, rebuilding it. So please like and subscribe to see what that looks like. Is a 59 AB. I'm going to be running the original distributor with modern electronics on the inside. The block is a little nasty. Needs to be cleaning up. But if we check it out, I haven't found any cracks yet. I'm going to magnaflux it and see what it looks like. But I do not see any cracks. The cylinder walls actually look really good. Let me get a flashlight real quick. The cylinder walls actually look pretty good. For an engine that's been sitting, there's no lip. That's just dirt for me cleaning. The cylinders are actually super slick, super nice looking. The oil is penetrating oil that I filled up in here and just letting it soak in. I haven't tried to spin the engine over yet. What I'm gonna do is take it apart as far as I can, pull the crank out of it, and see if the pistons slide out nice and easy. Hopefully that's how it works out. Since I'm going to rebuild it, no point of trying to just crank it over and see if it's broke loose. The cylinder walls look good. Nothing looks rusted together on the inside. Yes, a lot of buildup, but the engine's been sitting for a long time. What do you expect? It's almost 100 years old, 1939. Probably all original. There's a little lip right here on the cylinder wall.